Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Eureka Forbes Trendy Zip Vacuum Cleaner. So this is the box that it comes in with. There's a diagram of the vacuum cleaner right over here, and there is not much information outside this. There's some features mentioned over here. Trendy zip advantages: dust bag full indicator, wide range of accessories, 3 wheels for easy movement, convenient to use, 4.5 meters power cord length, auto cord winder, easy dust disposal through dust bag. Let's take a look at what's inside. I'm now going to open this box. Okay, so right on top we have a user manual. This is the user manual for this particular vacuum cleaner. Everything that you need to know can be found here. There's also a warranty card that comes with this, and all the different sections of this particular device, this particular vacuum cleaner, is mentioned over here, including the top cover, base, big wheel, back housing, etc. Everything is given over here. Even the 3 attachments that comes with the upholstery brush, the crevice nozzle, and the multi-purpose brush, along with the extension tube and the the flexible hose pipe. Everything is noted over here, so you should read this at least once. This is actually an important document. You should not lose any of them. There's a warranty card after all. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. First up, we have the flexible nozzle. This is the hose pipe that comes with this particular vacuum cleaner. A lot of attachment. This is the extension tube. There you go. This is the extension tube for this particular cleaner. So there are 2 of them. So the idea is that you can attach 1 at a time, or you can put 2 at the back of each other and make a pretty long one, like so. It's pretty long. I don't know if you can see this. I'll give you a wider look. There you go. It's pretty long. I'm going to keep this over here for the time being. This is the floor brush. This is the brush attachment that you use for cleaning carpets and the like. There you go. And this is what it looks like. And these are the other 3 attachments. I'll tell you what they are. This is the upholstery brush. This is for when you want to brush, say, upholsteries and curtains and the like. There you go. This is the crevice nozzle. So it's folded up like this. So you unfold it like so, and now you can clean all the crevices between sofas, even between keyboards and at the on top of shelves, etc. everywhere. And what's the third one? Third one is this multi-purpose brush that can be used for many different functions. There you go. A multi-purpose brush that can be used for many different functions. And there you go. This is what it looks like. This has this piano black finish on top and a matte black finish elsewhere. It's made out of ABS plastic material. It looks pretty tough. It's not going to break anytime soon. Also has this red design on it, which makes it look very classy. And let's see if I can take the bag out. Yeah. So this is where you open it up and clean it up, basically, when you want to do this. There's a handle here for carrying it around as well. And what other things do we have? The bag should be here. Yeah, there you go. Once you have used this machine, all the dust will be collected in this bag, which you can then take out and empty it. I'm not going to take it out for now. Finally, you have cables. At the back you have the power cable over here. There you can see. So you can pull this wire as long as you want. So you can pull it up till 4.5 meters, and once you're done pulling, all you have to do is lift this lid and press this button over here. Once you do that, the wire comes back, and basically the wire rewinds itself. Let's quickly test it out and see if this actually works. So I'm just going to connect it to a power source. There you go. I've connected to a power source. I haven't turned it on yet. The first thing that needs to go on is the flexible hose pipe. So this is the hose pipe. This should get attached over here. And there you go. It's attached now. It's tightly attached. Hello. Okay, I'll continue. And let's see if this actually works. This is what you find inside the box containing the Eureka Forbes Trendy Zip vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.